Oh my god. Somebody is 40 and not married, I think. You know, we have such tale like doesn't have husband and gets a 40 kitten cat. Some men be like, oh, adorable, just adorable. You're so adorable, baby. Oh my god, I want to touch. Oh, what? It's amazing. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, how cute there. No, I've eaten, now you eat, please, you eat. I've never seen things like that, really. Oh, Yogi cat. Is it okay?
I'll be back another day, Poppy.
Oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, so many, oh, how dirty, oh. Oh, how cute. Baby and the puppy, it's too much, you know, just one potato, please. One potato. Can I take a potato? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, I eat like this nowadays, like, you know, when I eat more than I can. And doing like, Or they're gangsters? Or something. What are they doing? Too lazy boy. Beautiful, fluffy, but too lazy. Oh, what do you want? I'm done. Oh. Oh. Fridge is open. Oh my god. Oh, nice. They're just little band. I'm a king. I'm true king. I'm too beautiful. Oh, my god, so beautiful but so noisy. Oh my god. That's so beautiful. That's heaven. That must be heaven, you know, swimming pool and dogs. Heaven for them. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god.
Oh
I
my
love
God.
you. I love you,
My
cat.
heart.
Come to me, cat. I love you. Wow. Little fluffy angel, you know, little fluffy angel. Oh my god. Again, this one. What's going on there, you know? Oh. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, so sweet. Kitty, little sweet kitty. Oh, wanna touch a bit. Give me a paw. Oh, this was really cute. So see you later, guys. It was really nice to have time with you.